At the edge of space, 85,000 feet above the Earth, a single aircraft moved faster than a rifle bullet. So fast, it could literally outrun the sun. This is the SR-71 Blackbird. And more than 60 years after it was designed, it still holds the title of the fastest air-breathing manned aircraft ever built. The story begins in the 1960s, deep inside a secret division of Lockheed called the Skunk Works, led by the legendary engineer Kelly Johnson. America needed a spy plane that could fly so high and so fast that no missile, no fighter, nothing could ever catch it. What Johnson's team created didn't just push the limits of engineering, it shattered them. Let's start with speed. The Blackbird cruised at over Mach 3, more than 3 times the speed of sound, around 2,200 miles per hour. On one record-setting flight, it flew from New York to London in under 2 hours. To put that in perspective, it could survey 100,000 square miles of territory in a single hour. But flying that fast creates a brutal problem: heat. At Mach 3, friction with the air heated the aircraft's skin to over 500 degrees, hot enough to melt aluminum. So Lockheed built almost the entire plane, about 85% of it, out of titanium. And here's the incredible part. At the time, the United States didn't even have enough titanium ore. So through a web of secret operations, they quietly sourced it from the very country the plane was built to spy on: the Soviet Union. The heat created another engineering miracle. The titanium skin expanded so much at high speed that the plane was designed with loose-fitting panels on the ground. Sitting on the runway, the Blackbird actually leaked fuel, because it was built to seal itself tight only once it heated up and expanded at full speed. It was quite literally designed to be whole, only when flying. Then there are the engines. 2 Pratt & Whitney J58s, perhaps the most remarkable power plants in history. At low speed, they worked like normal jet engines, but past Mach 2, they transformed mid-flight, rerouting air to function almost like ramjets. The engine reinvented itself in the sky, automatically, without the pilot lifting a finger. And the Blackbird had no weapons, none. Its only defense was speed. When an enemy fired at it with a missile, the procedure was simple: accelerate and outrun it. Over its entire career, the SR-71 was fired upon more than 4,000 times. Not a single one was ever shot down. Painted deep black to radiate the searing heat, earning it the name Blackbird, it served for over 30 years before retiring in 1998. Spy satellites took over its mission, but no aircraft has ever broken its records. Think about that. A machine designed with slide rules and paper over 60 years ago is still the fastest of its kind to ever fly. The SR-71 Blackbird, the plane that raced the sun and won.